Shenyang EMT Piping Technology Co., Limited is a specialized manufacturer of corrosion monitoring and pipeline cleaning products. Since our establishment in 1993, we have been deeply engaged in the research and development of technologies for cleaning and corrosion monitoring in oil, gas, chemical, and water pipelines. To achieve a leap in production capacity and product excellence, the company has implemented a series of effective strategies. On one hand, we have introduced world-leading CNC machining equipment to enhance production precision and efficiency. Our lathes offer high-precision processing capabilities, ensuring perfect alignment and quality of every component. On the other hand, we place great emphasis on improving employee skills and professionalism by conducting systematic training and experience sharing, which has helped us build a professional, dedicated, and responsible production team. Thanks to our strict and unwavering commitment to quality control over the years, our company has become a member of the Pipeline Products and Services Association. To ensure optimal performance and efficient resource utilization, we provide customized products tailored to the unique requirements of each project. We adhere to ISO standardized processes, covering comprehensive testing before products leave the factory. This ensures every product meets national and international certification standards, delivering industrial solutions that withstand the test of time to customers around the world. Through unremitting efforts and continuous innovation, we have built strong capabilities that allow us to accurately meet the stringent demands of our clients under various complex working conditions, providing impeccable, high-quality products. We have achieved remarkable success in international markets. Our company has been working on oil field projects for a long time, including PDOC, DPOC, Halfaya, Missan, and Garraf. Our products are exported to the Middle East, North Africa, Europe, and other regions. Our high product quality and performance have earned us widespread recognition and praise from international clients. Looking ahead, we work tirelessly to make EMT a benchmark in the pipeline equipment industry.